Yeah. This isn't how it's supposed to look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be filming a get ready with me video. So listen, it's a very sunny day, so I'm working with what I have, and I'm really not good at makeup, so listen guys, I'm gonna try my best. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to engage with my content. You can follow me on my other socials. So my Instagram, my TikTok, lifewithkesh_. So yeah, we can stay connected. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm starting on my freshly washed face. The only thing I put on was lotion, just regular lotion. As you can see, there's really nothing on my face. And I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. So I think I'm supposed to comb them first or something, I don't know. You know, y'all, like, this is very weird to me because my sister always does my makeup for me. And I'm really not good at this, so yeah. I'm using different mirrors if you see me looking elsewhere. So first I'm gonna put concealer. Okay. Okay, so I forgot to show y'all the concealer I'm using. I'm using NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. You can see that well. It's on focus, obviously. Okay. And then the foundation I'm gonna use. Now, since I'm a beginner, I decided to buy like drugstore makeup because I didn't want to spend too much for someone who doesn't know what they're doing. It's not really great, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this doesn't really give the coverage you need for like if you're really doing like a full beat. But for like everyday makeup, it's really not that bad. My hair, it don't move my hair. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Okay. As you can see, my biggest problem is actually these under my eyes, these whatever you call them. But yeah, so to correct that, we're gonna try with a bit of concealer. I don't know how well this is gonna work because I feel like my concealer is not really the right color for my skin. So y'all can help me out in the comments, let me know if you have any suggestions. I don't know how well you can see my skin type and my skin tone, but like, help us this out because it's really not giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, and last but not least, I'm using some Fenty Beauty gloss. Okay, I love it. It's what is it called? Gloss Bomb Lip Luminizer. Fenty Beauty. I really like it. The only two things that I really like in what I have is this and this. Both my Fenty Beauty products, but everything else, and the mascara, but it's not mine, it's my sister's. So everything else, it's, you know, it's given a little cheap. It's given a little cheap. Well, or I guess you could say everything else, you're getting what you paid for, if you get what I mean. Okay y'all, so I went off camera to take down my hair, my little braids, and I have to say that my sister had to fix my makeup because she saw me and she was like, so she fixed my eyebrows and I think she fixed my foundation too, if I'm not mistaken. Anyways guys, I'm still learning, so yeah, this is the final look. And yeah, so I'll be back for more. Don't forget to leave me a comment, to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and also let me know if you'd like to see my sister doing my makeup for me. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.